I'm gonna go take a shower.
Go take a shower, get dressed, and come back down.
Mike, I'm gonna go upstairs and take a shower.
You want to take a shower? You go there, in the guest room.
I gotta go take a shower.
I'll leave you guys to it. I'm gonna go take a shower.
Can you just come home and take a shower?
I need some time. 20, 30 minutes to take a shower.
I'm gonna go take a shower.
Let's go now.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna take a shower.
Where are you going?
To take a shower. Now that sex can happen at any time, I always have to be ready.
Do you want to go back to the bungalow and take a shower?
Go ahead. I'll join you later.
All right.
Oh, you want me to take a shower right now?
No.
You want me to take a shower right now while you stand there watching to see if it drips into the Friedrich's apartment?
You gonna take a shower?
No.
I just washed the sheets. I just smell like gunpowder.
Yeah, you know you love it.
I'm not hungry anyway. I'm gonna go upstairs and take a shower.
There's a big hole in our shower curtain. Miss Wyndham, when you arrived back at the house, was your father there?
Not that I saw, but like I said, I went straight upstairs to take a shower.
Just let me take a shower.
You shower at my house. You know, bring that money down, we can shower together. Got that good water pressure. You know that.
I'm going to the hotel. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna sleep for a month.
Take a shower with me, Jackie. I didn't mean... That came out a little wrong. I was not saying just take a shower with me. I was saying, why don't we all go and take a shower? Like, why, as a team, why don't we shower together?